It's almost the end of summer vacation for my kids, and all of my son's friends wanted to have a get together at the beach. So today is beach day. One of the dads recommended Corona del Mar State Beach, and this is our first time at this particular beach. Wow, the beach was packed. The parking lot by the beach was full, and we had to drive around in stopped traffic looking for street parking. We were actually quite fortunate that we were able to find a spot on the beach that could accommodate all five of our families. The dad that had recommended this location was actually quite surprised by just how busy it was today. He had been here maybe a couple of weeks earlier, and he said he had no trouble getting into the lot. In Rancho Cucamonga, it was 102 degrees with a heat advisory, which might account for why there are so many people at the beach. My son stayed in the water for almost the entire time we were actually on the beach. My daughter, on the other hand, played mostly with her sand toys. As you can see, the beach had started to clear out as the sun started to set. The sand here is really nice to walk on as well. Funny enough, as one boy took off his shirt, all the other boys followed suit. Everyone had a great time at this beach, and we suggest that you visit it whenever you have the chance.